Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I'm making a card which is for a Throwback Thursday challenge. I'm one of the admin on Positively Papercraft, which is a Facebook group that anyone's welcome to join from around the world. I'll link it below. And I'm starting this week a little just for fun challenge where everyone can make a project using something old. So it can be retired Stampin' Up products, it can be old favourites from other brands, it can be an old technique, something they learned a long time ago, maybe haven't used for a long time, maybe a technique that's gone out of fashion, whatever it is they want to use, inks that you can't get hold of anymore, rare things, anything. I'm going to call it Throwback Thursday, and I'll post a link to my blog on that wall every Thursday, and below that people can add links to their own blogs for everybody to go and check out with their Throwback Thursday project on it. If you haven't got a blog, you can still join in. You can just post a picture of your project, and then the kind of winner, there's not going to be a prize other than the accolade of winning. The winner will be whichever post, whichever comment gets the most likes. Okay, so what I'm going to do for mine is I'm using this DSP, which was it retired in 2017, and it was remember with a script on the back and the dots on the front. It was every single colour in the Stampin' Up range had this a DSP to correspond with it, almost like a base DSP. So I'm using that as one of my throwback items. Now your card only has to include one throwback thing, but I'm going to put a few in with mine. I'm going to use Cucumber Crush, which is a retired colour. I'm going to use Daffodil Delight, which isn't. And I'm going to use Avant Garden, which was its celebration at the moment, and this was celebration in 2017 when I became a demo. So this is a real throwback for me. It's one of the first things that I got as a demonstrator. So I'm also going to use this lovely ribbon. Now this is Stampin' Up. It's like a cotton weave. Just one second. Daffodil Delight. I mean, it's very similar, but it's definitely in a nice yellow colour anyway. It might be so saffron. The colour I think is still current, but the actual ribbon I don't think you can get anymore. So I don't even know what I'm going to actually stamp yet. I'm just might have to have a couple of attempts at this. I think I'm gonna stamp this sentiment, someone who makes others so happy. You can see this got well used, and then I think I'll go from there. So I'm going to just and then I think what I'm going to do is what am I going to do? I think I'm going to take this little leaf, if it's still in here. I've lost it. Yeah, it's still in here. Oh, I don't know, this delicate leaf. It's quite pretty, this one here. We'll take that. Maybe get a smaller block. And I think I'm just going to stamp that off. Stamp it off a bit more. And now I'm going to put that into the Daffodil Delight, and we'll see what happens. I think I've finished with the green. So I think do really like that. Looks a little bit, it looks better in real life, I think. And it's going to look better in a minute because I'm going to get an aqua marker. And pick up and just colour in these. So a little bit careful not to pick up too much of the green. I'm going to edge off. Just going to dip my edges in. You know. So it's not a really difficult card to make. In fact, it's quite simple. That's just going to go on there. I don't know where to put it now. I think I might tie my ribbon around the bottom there. Yeah. And there we go. That's such a pretty little card. Very simple and straightforward. If you want that to just stick down, you can just run a little bit of glue or a glue dot. Just going to pop mine down with some glue to make it stick. It just looks a bit better. And that's it. That's my really simple, straightforward card. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you want to join in and join us on a Thursday with a Throwback Thursday project, then come along and use that as an excuse to use up some of your old stash. Okay? You'll be most welcome. Okay, thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.